So here we are. I pulled her out the shop today because it's cloudy and it's nice, kind of cool. A little humid, but it's kind of cool. So I'm peeling the tape off. Still got to pull a little bit more around some edges. And got the stock wheels on there. I ordered a front license plate cover. This car did not have one, so I got to paint that when it comes in. And yeah, stock wheels, Continental tires, pretty good shape. The paint looks better out in the open than it does in the shop. You can't really tell unless you really know what you're looking for. Now, my paint edges are not perfect around the like my tape job wasn't great around the rubber. I know a lot of people would say, oh, you take all that out, and I just didn't want to do that. Yeah, I got the taillights all back in. Got the actually fixed one of them. It had a crack in it. It was this one right here. I put some epoxy on the side and let it dry, and then painted it so you couldn't really see it. Also buffed those lenses out where they looked really clean. Cleaned up the license plate cover part. Like I said, wheels, put those on. I started to put this trim back on right here. And my headliner is almost destroyed. I got to figure out how to get that up, or either just find out how to get a new headliner. But as you can tell, this car had cracks right in here. They're gone. I fixed them with a 3M panel bond substance, epoxy stuff. And then yeah, there she is, looking pretty good. So I also ordered some long tube headers for this thing to hook up to the MagnaFlow exhaust. It's probably gonna sound glorious. Now I need to take it and get the AC fixed. I probably could mess around with it myself and try to figure it out, and I may do that, but I want to take it to somebody that has all the tools and diagnose it pretty quick. AC, yeah, and then it's just performance mods. I will wet sand and buff this. There is trash in it, but overall, I think this car looks great. I think the paint came out great. I've had some compliments on it this morning. I love the shape of this car. I say that every time I look at it. I love that. I just love it. It looks so mean. So we're gonna lower it too. We got a lot of wheel gap, so we're gonna lower it just a little bit. Can't lower it too much because the front lip down there is already really close. So we'll see.